Hi, all of you, everyone. Today, discuss about the top seven best web development courses that are online, and all the courses links are given below in the description box. After the ending of this video, go and check out that links also, and subscribe our channel Course of Ta for more updates related to the online courses. Anyway, let's start. So, our first course is a complete web development course that is online, that means on Udemy. Here, the topics are you're gonna learn about this like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, GitHub, APIs, jQuery, Node, and you will creating the real life mobile applications on that on you also upload them on Google Play Store also. Here you will learn about the advanced skills to integrate your mobile apps with Google Maps, and in this course you doesn't need any specialized knowledge to learn this web development course. You just need to know this, you use the computer very well, and anyone can take this course. You want to learn it, go and check out the link given below. So our next course is a web design course that's provided by the Coursera, and here you will learn all these topics that are related on the web design like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, the responsive web designs, also the DOM and the Bootstrap. Here you will learn the all the web designer responsive websites, and after taking this course you can develop the professional web quality portfolio, and you doesn't need any specialized knowledge or skills to learn this course. You just need to know the basics, or they can also learn help to learn all the basics also. This course can taken by anyone who wants to become a web designer or want to make their career in web designing, then go for this course. Or any student who is an advanced level of web design and want to brush their web design principles, then also go for this course. Go and check out the link given below if you want to become a web designer and want to learn a web design. Then our next course is the web development course that's on the Coursera, and here you will learn some basic stuffs of the web development like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and you will learn how to create website functions. So you will learn how to create design the website using base language like HTMLs, and you will learn how to allow the users to interact with your web page. And this course can take in anyone who have the knowledge of programming or who doesn't have it any programming experience or knowledge can also take this course and easily complete them. If you want to learn the basics of web development and want to create some basic websites for your projects also, for your portfolio, then definitely go for this course and check out the link given below. So our next one is the Advanced Web Developer Bootcamp course that's on Udemy. It is a full stack web development course, and in this course we're gonna cover the advanced CSS, Ajax, React 16, Redux, D.3, Oops with JavaScript, APIs, and in this course you just know the some basic knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. That's it already. And this course taken by who wants to learn web development or want to become a web developer can also take this course. And after completing this course you're gonna get the professional web developer certification that can add your profit or plus point in your portfolio. And this course can also taken by those people who are already a web developer and want to learn some newest technologies of web development can also take this course. If you want to learn it, can go and check out the link given below. So fifth course is HTML, CSS, JavaScript web developer course, and here you're gonna learn about the basic HTML5, CSS concepts, including floating, CSS rules, conflict resolutions, and learn JavaScript also, Ajax, Flags. This course is a quite beginner friendly course. Is good for the beginners, and you just need to the basic understanding of computer programming to learn this course. And this course can taken by anyone who wants to who wants to become a web developer and want to become expert in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and who is a passionate towards the understanding the fundamentals of JavaScript or CSS, HTML, or the whole web development. You can go for this course and check out the link given below for more information. So all the previous five courses are the paid courses that are on Udemy and Coursera, and here are the two free web development courses. That's first one is provided by the Udacity. It's first one is a full stack web developer course, and Udacity also provide you the real world projects and career counseling services, mentorships also it's provided you. And this course covers the topics SQL for web, data modeling, APIs, identify and access management, and server deployment also. You just need the few skills to learn this course, just like build the software with any OOP language such as Python or Java or C. And to learn this course can taken by anyone who wishing to add complex web development concepts in their portfolio to become a full stack developer or to a web developer. Can definitely go for this course. If you want to learn it, can go and check out the link. So our the last free web development course is a 10-hour course is on YouTube channel. Name is Edureka, and this course is in this course you're gonna learn the basic web development from scratch. It's covered the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Angular, React.js, Node.js also, and stack applications, Mean and Moon. And this course for the beginners who wants to learn web development from the beginning and become an intermediate level of web developer, then definitely go for this course. Check out the link given below in the description. So here all the courses are ended, and the links of all the courses are links given in the description box. Make sure you go and check out at that, and for which course you're gonna enroll yourself, comment it that also, and click on the subscribe button and bell icon so that you get updated more about the online courses. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, all of you.